Imagine you're building your dream PC. You want maximum performance for gaming and creative projects, but also future-proofing. That's exactly why today we're looking at an exciting motherboard that promises serious power and convenience. Stick around until the end to find out if this board is really the right fit for you. This board uses the latest AM5 socket, making it perfectly ready for current and future Ryzen processors. One major highlight is support for PCIe 5.0, not only for the graphics card, but also for one of the M.2 SSDs. That means ultra-fast load times, and an investment that will still hold up years from now. Memory support is also top-notch. DDR5 is supported all the way past 6400 MHz if you're overclocking. On top of that, you get 3 M.2 slots, each with its own heatsink, plus 4 SATA ports for traditional hard drives or SSDs. Power delivery is handled by a strong 12 plus 2-phase VRM design, which is more than enough for high-performance CPUs like the Ryzen 9 series. This ensures stability even under heavy load. On the networking side, you get a 2.5 gigabit LAN port along with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. That gives you flexibility whether you prefer wired or wireless. On the back panel, you'll also find a wide range of ports, including a blazing fast USB-C connection with speeds up to 20 gigabits per second. Then there are the convenience features that make everyday use easier. Q release for the GPU, a simple tool-free mechanism for M.2 drives, a pre-installed I/O shield, and BIOS flashback that lets you update the BIOS with just a button, no CPU or RAM required. In terms of design, ASUS sticks with the familiar ROG look, subtle RGB lighting, large heat sinks, and an overall premium finish. If you value a clean, modern build, this board delivers. Of course, all of this comes at a price. This motherboard is not an entry-level option, but what you do get is a solid, future-proof package. If you're planning a high-performance gaming or creator PC, this board is definitely worth considering. If you're curious, be sure to check the links in the description below for current deals. So, what are the strengths and weaknesses of this board? Pros: future-proof with PCIe 5.0 support for GPU and SSD. Strong VRM design for stable performance. Rich feature set with lots of connectivity. Excellent networking with both LAN and Wi-Fi 6E. Extras: Q release, BIOS flashback, pre-installed I/O shield. Cons: price is on the higher side of mid-range. BIOS updates may be needed for the newest CPUs. Some users report minor stability issues. Wi-Fi performance can vary depending on environment. Requires good case cooling under heavy load. All in all, this motherboard delivers a really strong package for anyone who values performance, future-proofing, and convenience. It's not the cheapest option, but it's one you'll be happy with for years to come. So if you're planning your next gaming or creator build, you should definitely check out this model. The best deals are linked in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video, and drop a comment about what your next PC build will look like. See you next time.